There we go. So I'm here with Neville Powell after Abertown's battling 1-1 draw at high-flying Cardiff Met. Nev, well done. That's more like it.
Yeah, good point. Lads put a right shift in and got the point they deserved. Probably could have got the 3. But when you come to places like this on a Saturday night live on the telly, you'd be happy with a point. But as you say, they've put a good shift in and we played some good football, created a few chances, and as you say, the pleasing thing about it, we defended a lot better than we have been defending away from home lately. So yeah, they put a right shift in. I think we got our tactics spot on and tried to stop them playing with the 3 in the middle, and you know, John Owen, we put him through the middle and he caused problems all night for them. So you know, it's a good point, and we'll kick on and move on to the Connah's game now and hopefully try and get 3 points before we go into the split.
Yeah, of course. And I suppose would you say that the goal that they got was a slightly controversial free kick? It looks so from the side.
It didn't look, yeah, from me it didn't. I thought Nick had blown for the clash of heads. I didn't realise he'd give them a free kick at all, and as you say, it's a poor goal to concede right on the stroke of half time where we were on top of our game at the time. So you know, we said to the players half time, obviously we had to reshuffle a bit when Walcott's had to come off and John McKenna's gone in there, but I said to him, just carry on playing the way you are. That, you know, the game's going to be won and lost centre midfield, and I think them 3 in our Mally, Tom Owen and Ashley Young were excellent in there tonight and picked up a lot of second balls and enabled us to get playing, enabled Ryan Wade and John Owen and Declan Walker to get on the ball. So you know, on another day we had a couple of chances there, second half they might have gone in, but we can't be too displeased with the points because it's a tough place to come to. They're a good side, Christian's got a good side there and they play good football, a bit like TNS, so you know, we've got to be happy to move on with a point.
Yeah, and you're pleased with Ashley Young's performance and his goal, of course. Straight in from the free kick, wasn't it?
You know, he's a winner, Ashley is, and you know, we've got good players in that dressing room, and they realised they let themselves down a bit over Christmas, especially the Boxing Day game, obviously the New Year's Day game with a wind, and you know, it's the same for both sides, and we had enough of the game to get points in that game, and we sort of threw it away, but collectively it wasn't good enough. So the players realised that they're not stupid. We've got a good set of hard-working lads there, and you know, we are at the wrong end of the table. We shouldn't be where we are, but that's football. That's how competitive this league is. We'll keep striving to get better, and I'm sure if we keep good performances and work rate and efforts in like we did, we will do. And
do you have a word for the supporters who sang all the way through the game, didn't they?
It's unbelievable, you know, the fans follow us everywhere, and it's a big help to the players and ourselves, you know, when you hear them singing, and that's how it should be. You know, clubs should have teams, supporters supporting them home and away, and that's what we're lucky enough to get, and it'd be great to be successful and get points for them people that come and watch us. So yeah, they're a big help for us.
Great, and we may need them next week. It's a big challenge. Connah's at home.
Every game's big, you know. Connah's a big one. It'd be nice to finish with 3 points. It won't be easy there. Like Connah's, you know, one of the top teams in the league. So you know, they turned us over 5-1 the other week. So we've got our work cut out, but we'll get ready and prepared for it. You know, if we put in the work rate and the way we play tonight, we won't be far away. And as you say, we're back down here for the Welsh Cup game then. So, you know, at the end of the month, the games are coming thick and fast. And as you say, it'd be nice to get another 3 points before the split, and maybe get into the next round of the Welsh Cup. So we've got a tough January to finish with. So we'll look forward to it.
Well, I think anyone who saw that performance today be coming back. Well done, Nev. Enjoy your weekend.
Thanks.